I've been here trying to replay the video on one or whatever I can do. Now, so I don't say ebimuli. Now I'm doing a PS5. You know that shit is expensive, right? Now no love gift again, okay? A guy could be vibing 5 women or 10 or whatever number it is, but trust me, he will always know who he wants. A guy will always know who he wants. It's not about how many gifts you're buying him. It's not about how much pussy you're giving him. Like you think, oh, I really sex this guy. Like sometimes he passes out. No, baby. No. He knows who he wants. I don't know if I'm not saying a girlfriend who have the tiger and I'm loving to ebimuli, right? Not that come Alina na kamwa we mkasogo yagadde naye ate goze nezi PS5 or them ne iPhone mukale wabadde wakabaga katono. They know who they want. These sons of Pharaohs and mulungi friend. Ekyo kibi ekyo kyayagala. Girl child tulindenga kabasajja batuleetera obuntu ne bwe buba butono bwe buti nakakuleetera. It's an effort. It's an effort. Wemazeyo wenna. The embarrassment, I don't think I would recover. I don't want to lie. Personally, I got so ashamed on her behalf. Like, guys, yeah. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't heal. I'm really hoping that video was just some prank. It was some sort of Nabano abateka these are our services, and anyway these clients be against the movie. Why would you even post such? Why would you embarrass a person to that extent? Why would you embarrass a person to such an extent? Client yaba hiring say you do ABCD. Why would you post it? But it's a sort of corner from that thing. I would never recover. I swear, I would never recover. Ne boy child. Bane wakoze ekintu. Boy child what koze ekintu? Abana bo wala simanje tugenda kwe. You know, I can't. I'm trying to digest this. And to the lady, there's somebody out there for you. Trust me. Sometimes I'm gonna know gamba why. Kale guy mbadde mwagala kale. You know why? There's a reason. I'm always trying to look at the good side out of everything that's bad. There's a good reason why this guy said no. God is preparing you for someone who's going to love you unconditionally and truly and everything. Let the motherfucker go. He doesn't deserve you. He is not for you. Let him go. Your guy is there. Your person is there. That isn't your person. Heal, baby girl. Heal. It is well. It is well. Temunda manzembera mulavu nembera mulavu sichita mpaka wenafuna my guy. So there's your person. Take some time and heal. It is well, honey. It is well. I just felt for you. Now the devil be sending you love and light. Who's a child of a boy child? Muigo tukwana konga mwogera nti muli mu relationships. Anyway, sit tukwana wandi mchala mufumu. Muigo kwana nga mugamba omuntu nti oli mu relationship n'abakazi mugambe nga abasajja babakwana nti muli bafumbo. Mumalawo confusion zino ne misunderstandings kubanga ebintu ebyo byabadde mu public restaurant. Neshitegeeza nti yayingidde mu public restaurant ng'amanyi ono bba wange oba boyfriend wange eno relationship yange. Boy child yatamye emisinde. Kanyabo kasise kafukamidde. Singo mutoba mugambiddewo from day one nino omuntu naye munaye nkwagala bintu byakutegeeragana. Boy child mukozese ku mazima. Omwana we yandibadde afunirawo ne hatatako omwana w'abandi naafu. Iyo ebana